Tracking on expiry day or Chartbuster call?
So it's on Pidilite Industries, a chart which was going through a consolidative phase, but it's getting ready for a breakout of sorts on the short-term time frame chart. So we've seen the stock going into a patch of a rally, then a multi-week, multi-day consolidation, and then a breakout yet again for the stock. So like this, we've similarly come back into a trading range for Pidilite. The stock was trading into a range of 3,200 as a support, 3,300 as a resistance, and now it seems like that the stock is getting towards a breakout. This could potentially be almost like a 150 point of breakout, which means 3,150, which is the previous support for the stock, and 3,300 approximately as a resistance. So on a breakout of 3,300 mark, expecting Pidilite to come back to 3,500 levels, which could be a decent target of 5% over the very near term.
Okay, that's Pidilite in focus. Nooresh, what's the stock that you've identified?
So it is Tata Communications. The stock has been sideways for the last 1 year or so. 1,600 was the bottom back in 2023. 1,600 was the bottom in June. And on the upside, 1950 to 2050 has been a resistance. Multiple attempts around that area. Very recently, also 2050, 2070 came back to 1950 odd levels. Yesterday broke out with volumes, one of the highest volume ticks in the last 6 months. Looks like a clean breakout into all-time highs and accumulate on current levels as well as on dips. Stop loss at 2050, target price of 2,300 to 2,500 in the short term.
Tata Communications it is from Nooresh, but let's also get in those top trading calls from our chartists. And Kunal, what's looking good today?
So that's a buy on Reliance Industries. So the first trade would look out for targets in the range of 3,100. Stop loss could be kept at 2,940. And HDFC Life is also trying to make a comeback above that 720 plus mark. So would look out for targets in the range of 750 and stop loss at 700.
And meantime, Nooresh, what's on your radar today?
So first is the buy on Axis Bank, good relative strength, short-term breakout, stop loss at 1240, target price of 1350. Second is the buy on L&T Finance, which has been showing relative strength and good momentum. A dip today, a good opportunity to buy in. Stop loss at 178, target price of 200.
Okay, Kunal, Nooresh, we'll see you again later in the day, holding out quite okay for the markets. Quick break. When we come back, lots more.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.